Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you are watching my official YouTube channel. And today I am going to teach you freeform pen tool. So freeform pen tool is already selected and you can change it to pen tool. If it is in pen tool, then you can change into to freeform pen tool. And if this icon is appearing like here and this icon is appearing, then you just simply press P and you will go to that tool directly. So freeform pen tool, in this video I will teach you how to use it. So for that I have to a little bit zoom this picture. I will click Z and then I will right click, and now I will have to move a little bit upward. So let's see. Basically the pen freeform pen tool is used with a little help of this magnetic or without magnetic, but I will use this magnetic option because this magically attaches with this area of that shape. So for example, if I have to use this freeform and I have clicked on this magnetic tab, or you can say setting, we have set to, if we have set this to magnetic, then we can just start by clicking. I have clicked here and then I will move my cursor and you can see pen is directly attaching with the outer boundary of this shape. So you can see how magically this shape is being completed. So I will not draw the claw, then I will go in that way, and this way you will go very clearly. You can see how easily and free-handedly I am moving with the outer boundary of this shape. So here is the start, and you can see how magically we have made the shape very accurately. So freeform pen tool is used with magnetic setting to draw any shape very easily and without any effort, and we can just hide the background and you can see how easily we have drawn any shape in Adobe Photoshop. So this was about freeform pen tool, and in the next video we will learn about third type of pen tool, which is curvature pen tool. So till then, stay blessed.